Hi everyone, my name is Jovin from SALT, based in Finland, and my presentation today is about the SALT Academy. And the SALT Academy boosts university business collaboration on circular economy between Mauritius and Finland. Today I'll present to you the problem, the solution, and what I've planned and the results that I've gotten from this plan, and happy to move on to Q&A. This is a tale of two countries. Mauritius is a tiny island in the Indian Ocean. It reached out to Finland in order to tap on its sustainability expertise. And in Mauritius, there are a lot of problems. Don't worry if you don't know how to read all these different words in French. These are the direct quotes from the headlines in the newspapers in Mauritius. Essentially, it shows that the problem in Mauritius is plentiful when it comes to environment, when it comes to the island being vulnerable to climate change. And the country has already realized that it is implementing a number of solutions out there. Specifically, one big problem is that even if companies know what to do, they don't have the proper business model in order to move forward to have it as a step-by-step approach. Hence, as a proposal to the building of the bilateral relationship between Mauritius and Finland, I've suggested building a digital circular economy in order to transform the Mauritian industry. And I have stacked a model for that. You would see at the bottom, there's the ecosystem on which there's the digital platform where companies and experts from both countries are meeting. And my PAP layer is where I bring in the academy, the business, the students, and the companies to work together digitally at first in order to come up with the business model that will be essential to bring the companies forward into the future. In details, what this would mean, there would be university students from the different universities who will work on a scientific model to conduct environmental audits. And this is a model that has already been used in Singapore, and I'm already in touch with the professors there. And these students will be mentored by different project managers and researchers from different parts of the world, and that's provided by the nonprofit organization Nellis that's based in Japan. So I thought myself as a spanning boundary agent, and I had to put myself in different characters in order to walk the talk. First, I needed to have that knowledge. And I sought that knowledge by working on all the assignments, attending the classes, taking part in the workshops, sharing the resources, so I know what I'm doing as an agent myself. And then I needed to move things forward, build a consortium, prospected for partners in these two countries, felt the ground with different video calls, went into fundraising, and then wrote proposals as well. And as a spanning boundary agent, you need to be goofy as well, build the relationships, try, fail, try, keep talking to strangers, keep knocking at the door. And I met the different PAP team members in Finland too. And what are the results? You would see on the top left, the consortium was built. We received an invitation to submit a pre-proposal. We worked on it, we sent it as well. We received another invitation by the Research Council in Mauritius to give, it's an invitation to present to the review board. We did that as well. We got a letter of support from the Honorable Ambassador of Finland based in Pretoria herself. And I landed in Mauritius. I'm actually pitching in Mauritius where I am to meet the different partners, because otherwise we just keep talking until the cows come home. I've lined up a number of different meetings, including with the Honorable Minister of Education. I've already met the Research Council, and I know there will be a question on funding. We have explored different funding options, and I can tell you more in detail on that. And finally, there's a possible press article about the project where I will be able to talk about the Spanning Boundaries course, and of course, the University Industry Innovation Network. With this, I thank you for your attention, and I'm happy to get into Q&A. Thank you.